Look at here, family. These are cute if you don't want to take up a lot of space in your living room. Look what they have. That's Homegoods. Or they have the smaller one for $79. It's shorter. But these are cute if you don't want a lot of stuff all crowded up in your living room. And then they have the lamp right here too. Go with it. Because everybody don't want a lot of stuff crowded up. These are nice too to go in there. These are $59. These are cute too. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this right here. I ain't got nowhere to put it. $79. It's cute. I ain't got nowhere to put that stuff. It's, I get rid of a lot of stuff to bring in stuff. And these are $149 if y'all looking for some office shelves. It's pretty stir, and it's marble. It's a marble, so that's cute. Rugs are $79, so that's cute. $149 if you get the ones that's taller. This one is like, I'll say 3 foot something, and this I'm 5, so this about 3 something. This one is almost 5, so the 3 something one is like $149, and the taller one is, how much this one? $149. Oh, they both the same price. Now I like this here, but I don't have no where to put it. This is cute. We'll go in the corner. $129. It's a nice tall plant. Real nice.